ইভিনিং এভরিওয়ান, সবাইকে জানাই শুভ বিজয় আর প্রীতি, শুভেচ্ছা ও অভিনন্দন. Well, we all know that Durga Puja is the biggest festival of Bengalis. And yes, amidst all the strict restrictions in Singapore here, owing to the ongoing pandemic this year also, we were still able to enjoy Pujo to our best. Thanks to the wonderful organizers here who have really done a commendable job for organizing such a beautiful event for which we Bengalis long to attend year after years with awaited breath. Yes, on the last day of Durga Puja, it's also an equally emotional moment for us as we bid adieu to Goddess Durga. As Durgama returns to her abode, here is wishing she leaves behind all the good luck and happiness for the humanity. May Ma Durga's blessings guide you all to follow the right path and help you succeed in your endeavors. Shubho Bijaya. But the festive season doesn't end here with just Shidur Khala and Ma Durga's Bishorjan with the crowd singing আসছে বছর আবার হবে. There is still a lot more on it. Yes, the autumn festivity that has started with Durga Puja concludes with another much awaited festival, which is Kojagori Lokhi Pujo, which falls just 7 days after Durga Puja. It is celebrated at Sharad Purnima on the full moon night of the month of Ashwin. During Kojaguri Lokhi Pujo, people worship Dhonno Lakshmi, who is the goddess of agriculture and prosperity. There is an interesting myth behind this pujo. People believe that on the night of Kojaguri Purnima, goddess Lokhi descends on earth and asks, Ke Jagati, who means, who is awake? Who answers affirmatively and keeps lights on in their homes, goddess bless them. Preparations for Lokhi Pujo starts after Bijaya Dashami only. Beautifully crafted alpona and festive zeal of Kojaguri Lokhi Pujo takes over the melancholy of Bijaya Dashami. Many sweet delicacies like paesh, narkil, naru are offered as a noiboidyo to the goddess and her Vahon owl. Right from Narkil Shandesh to Narkil and Naru, the bhog spread is incomplete without this delight. Decorating the place of worshipping with panpata, betel nuts, dhan dubbo are some of the quintessential things needed for worshipping and lighting up every nook and corner of the house. Next important aspect is alpona. Traditionally, it's drawn with fingers and rice paste as paint. And whenever I see my mom drawing such beautiful alpona all over the house, I feel so elated. And lastly, the heady scent of dhoop and incense sticks, the melodious chant of mantras, pushpanjali, the divine sound of conch shell, the sparkle of lamps, holy basil, and the festive bhog at platter usher spiritual moment in our daily mundane life and fills us with hopes, peace, love, and positivity. So here's me wishing all of you a very happy and prosperous Lokhi Pujo. Moving on to the next is a very small impromptu dance performance by my little kiddo on the theme of jungle safari for her Children's Day celebrations at her school. She is actually wearing a beautiful giraffe costume and completely rocked the jungle safari look. So friends, enjoy watching this video till the end. Have a nice day. And yes, here is me and my little Jenny wishing all of you a very, very happy and prosperous Kojaguri Lokhi Pujo. Stay safe, everyone.
Hello everyone, I am Adira.
So today is?
Today is Children's Day. My name is Dira.
Okay.
I am a giraffe. Giraffe has long neck and it eats the grass and the leaves.
Is he very tall?
Yeah, it's very tall.
Okay. What else?
Now I want to dance.
Okay. Dance nicely.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115
tail? Very good. Okay. Just nicely. Yeah, like a ballet. Yeah. So is giraffe a jungle animal?
Yeah.
Okay. Very good. Now done. Say thank you. Oh, okay. Do this one. Okay. Wow, quack quack. Okay, now?
Naita.
Yes, I will start. You open first.
You take one. We do that.
Yes. Wow! Going that side. Okay, you first shake it. Come here. Yeah. First shake it.
Let's
No.
go inside in the...
Yeah, no need to fool. Just shake it and then it will be there. Just shake it. See? Wow! Wow, so many! Oh, okay. Okay. First keep it for some time. Yeah. And now shake it.
Going in the way.
Wow. Again.
That is right.
Yeah.
On the way,
Okay. Wow. Wow, so many. Very careful. Okay, shake it. Yeah, see, so many. So many.